Give me that hair. I want to eat it. It smells so good. Hi, welcome to Blind Location in the rain. Pan to the rain.
It's rain.
This is my friend Seagrave. Hi. She's also a photographer. She volunteered today out of the kindness of her heart, and she's gonna be my first in the rain photo shoot for Blind Location. I have shot in the rain before. Where are we? Where are we? Is this La Mesa?
La Mesa.
La Mesa.
The table.
La Mesa.
Which I learned that just like 5 months ago.
Wow.
Oh,
you're Spanish.
Duolingo.
You can't look. No cheating. No cheat. She's about to cheat. Wait, are your eyes
Leave it
closed?
to Allie to cheat.
Okay, I'm ready.
Wait, where's the follow?
Yeah, down. Okay, push. Oh, you landed. I can't
do
talk.
it?
Nailed it. 3 of the colors in this match your sweater. Look at
It's
that.
like I'm
Look
super
at
digging
this.
this color lately.
Me too. It's like mustard, kind of yellow. So the theme of today's mood board is experimental. That's what I'm calling it. Because all of these photos on the mood board all have to do with things that I have to do in post. So like Photoshop. I've never done any of these things before. So it's like truly experimental. The thing about mood boards is sometimes they're there to inspire you, but sometimes I have them just because I want to straight up copy something. So like in the case of these images, we're gonna straight up copy a lot of these. And I don't think that there's anything wrong with that. In fact, there's a book called Still Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. And he talks about how no work is new, everything's borrowed, stolen.
Seriously.
And it is. But it's not like I'm not gonna take this image and I'm not gonna duplicate the exact same thing. I'm just gonna be like, okay, I wanna try the exact same thing.
Yeah.
And then as we shoot, we might, change it up. And that's the whole point of a picture, is to be inspired. What he did here was, or the photographer did here, is I think they took a picture of this bush of flowers without him standing there, and they took another one with him standing there. And then all they did was they put the one on top that was first taken without him there, and they put these little boxes around it.
Layers.
So we'll just find a place, yeah, exactly, 2 layers. So we'll just find a place where we can make something pop in front of you. Right here, under here, just fine. Like this one, I like it because it looks kind of like a Prada flyer or a movie poster or something. Let's do the drawing one. That's just a portrait.
Okay.
That should be really easy. You can like plan out every single shot that you want before, and then you can just like especially right now when it's like comes crunch time because it's raining on us, Like now I have this mood board and I can just be like, okay, this, and we can just keep moving. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4 of these shots. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Let's do the last 5 in your warmer outfit.
Okay.
The mini faces of Allie. And honestly, you don't have to move. You can sit right there because these are all going to be really close. And you're just going to make faces, and I'm going to take your picture over and over again. Thank you guys for watching Blind Location today. I hope you guys learned something. I definitely did. I'm not a Photoshop expert. I use Lightroom normally to edit all my photos. But today, we got a little experimental, and I hope that you could see how using a tool like Photoshop, something like that, can really set your work apart. I had never used Photoshop in the way that I did today. So, that's all it takes, is just looking at a photo, getting inspired by it, and then figuring out how to make it work. If you guys try something and you don't like it, worst case scenario is you just learn what not to do. No big deal. If there is something that you guys ever want to do and you don't know how to do it, you can always hire a graphic designer. You can hire someone on Fiverr. There's so many resources out there that you can still take the photo, but you can still get the result you want, even if you don't know how to use all the tools. So use the tools that are out there. We have YouTube. It's amazing. I want to thank Allie for being my model today. Allie's also a photographer. You can check out her work. Here's her link right here. Also, thank you so much, Alyssa, for filming this. Alyssa did not have an umbrella because we only have two because we live in San Diego. So she is drenched right now. So thank you. And thank you everyone for watching. I really hope that you like the photos. Allie, thank you for being here. Did you have fun?
Of course.
Good. Do you think you learned anything?
I mean, yeah, it's cool watching you just kind of like try things out and realize, oh, that might not look so great, so let's move to a different location and try this instead. Just gonna always have to play with your surroundings and until you get what you're looking for.
Yeah. Do you normally use mood boards?
I have not, but I definitely want to start doing that.
Yeah, because it came in handy. It came in handy today because it was raining. So we're just like run to shelter, like, okay, we're gonna try this pose. This is how we're gonna sort it out, and then we would like run back. So yeah, it worked out. Thank you so much for letting me get experimental, and I hope you like the photos too. Thank you guys for watching Blind Location. I post these every Friday. If you want to be a part of Blind Location, please hit me up, DM me, email me. Allie was like, yo, I want to be a part of Blind Location, and then here she is 1 week later. So that's all it takes, and I need more volunteers. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.